This is magsafe wallet for phones. This is S24 Ultra magsafe case. I'm currently shooting in S24 Ultra only, so that's why I can't show you how it fits and how it looks. But let's see. Also, let's try this. Yeah, it's working. See, we can use it this like this. Oh, surprisingly, it is sturdy. See. I thought it will not work, but it is working good. Nice. Next, I don't know what it is. Oh, it is label for my thermal printer, shipping labels. Yeah, this is another type of magsafe wallet. With carbon fiber aesthetics, and yeah, it has a special functionality. Let me show you. I don't know if it fits well or not. Oh, see, this is also surprisingly fits well, but downside is, do you see this? It will be on top of camera bump, but yeah, in terms of functionality, we can use this as a stand. We can hold cards, and it is also surprisingly sturdy. See, it is not falling off. Yeah, we can put money and all, and I don't know what is used. Oh yeah, like this we can use it. So I think this is more functionality than this. Nice. Third parcel. I think I know what is this. I bet 95% of people don't know how to use and what is the use of this. See, weird product, right? In Amazon I thought it is way bigger, but in actual it is smaller, but yeah, it is still functional for me, enough size. So use of this, let me show you. If you want to work in delicate PCBs, something like this, if you want to solder it and you only have 3 hands, not 4 or 8 like Dr. Octavius, then these two spare hands will be helpful for you. It is very tight. Oh yeah, it is not tight now. See, we can hold it like this and we can work after tightening this. Yeah, this is basically for soldering purpose. For custom PCBs, I do work on that. Actually, learning right now, but soon I'll learn a lot. See, let's see what happens next.